And that actually really feeds in very well to this other book, which is for the slightly older children, written by the amazing Kerry Tidman, who is really quite an extraordinary person. She has overcome so much adversity in her life, and she has turned it in the end into a really positive force for good, for helping to uplift others who may be going through tough times themselves. So she is now a professional therapist, and she has written this book, How Do You Deaf? And it's really aimed at teenagers and young adults, and it's about finding your voice, your identity, and your place in the world. And it's the first book that she's developed in her Thriving with Hearing Loss series, which you'll see growing over the coming months and years. So the book is part autobiographical, because Kerry tells us about her own story with deafness, of how she overcame, as I said, many adversities in her life, and how she managed to turn around her life and really become this very powerful advocate for people who are deaf, who have disabilities, who are neurodivergent, and she's become a real champion of others. And this book really, as I said, it's part autobiographical, but also part self-help book. She's got, at the end of each chapter, Kerry has these reflective prompts just to help people to think about their own situation and possibly to change their own mindsets and become possibly more positive or more confident and more hopeful. And it really is a very powerful book. And here's Kerry, who is presenting here at the TEDx Wolverhampton, and standing up there on stage and discussing how do you deaf, and she talks about how everybody chooses to live their life in a different way, chooses to communicate in different ways, choose different technology, and that's okay. So this is really a powerful book, and that is going off to the older kids at Blanche Nevile School for the Deaf.